How to download Warzone 3. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and on the search bar just search for Warzone 3. So as you can see, this is the official website of the application over here. Now to download this application, you just add in download in the search bar over here and add Warzone 3 download, and you can see different options of downloading this application on your device. So you can just choose any one. Here I'm just scrolling and I'm going to choose any one of them. Now as you tap on that, you can see this option of free download over here. Just tap on it and it will be downloaded on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.